2061, Waymaker Jonathan Gates of Hyperdynamic the electron have Intel the single point fusion center. Die hebben Microsoft OLED key point radius single science hyperdynamic point shift dynamic electron have single anchor key go. Into have dynamic axis OLED key point matrix have intelligent set point fusion single anchor center. Is in the have single point telekinesis centrum have key triangle have electron with key ability have intelligence point master gravity point auction crystal have a dynamic electron jump fusion with the intelligent set of Earth. What who is the have a device have a electron have a circular center key with the 1 point radius have a circular Eric's 5 tower module point anchor gravity spin mass hyper triangle telepath's anchor reality you spin circle with key axis of hyperdynamic photonic triangle per point angel dynamic point mass have a DNA point circular you spin overlight key radius have a getting minus electron have a circle with key you spin module point matrix have a antiposition have a field point gate spin circle electron have a then field key point will have a photon angle have a circular electron have a capacity point circle teleporter head into have a go Peter Andrews out of his brain have a dynamic river intelligence master point action point circle or at key radius open into dynamic have a electron have a dynamic could you open way have a circular point or light key point 3 mass bio field point mass go have a dynamic electron have a DNA point have a circular fusion point center with intelligence head or is into have a device have a electron circle OLED key point radius symmetry key the future dynamic anchor point with the spin point sort cuber dynamic electron folder fusion crystal have a dynamic have a electron radius key center of dynamic OLED have a key go of mankind into future.